everyone. Let us start our topic once again. What we have learned previously, it was we have learned about what is the routing in our previous video. Then types of routing, that is static, dynamic, default routing. Then what was the static routing and what was the disadvantages of the static routing we have discussed, and how we have to configure the static routing. This is a common example, and we have also verified with 3 routers. Then what is the default routing? We have done it by connecting 3 routers also. After that, we have discussed about what is dynamic routing and what are the dynamic routing protocols. It is distance vector, link state, hybrid that. So what were the difference between the distance vector, link state and hybrid routing protocol? We have already discussed. And what are the classful routing protocols and classless. Now today we have to discuss the practicals of dynamic routing by using it. So let us start for just verification how the dynamic routing work. We go to our packet tracer. Okay, we are taking our routers. Taking switches. One PC for testing. Now connect some add modules for WAN connectivity. Will not connect. Okay, now connecting the cables. There is one node connected. Then connect switches. Okay, we have make our topology and what IP we assign. One network, two network, 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 okay, 30 network. Now I will log into the router. So what is interface? Fast Ethernet and serial. So first we're giving the IP address towards LAN interface and the LAN interface which are connected. Now go to the LAN interface. Yeah, we have configured the interfaces of that is the WAN interface, this is LAN interface. Okay. Now go to second router. Okay, these interfaces. First go to the LAN interface. Now go to LAN interface. Now go to the another LAN interface which are connecting here. This interface. Giving the IP address to this interface. No shut. For verification check. Yeah. Now go to the third router. Okay. First go to the LAN interface. Now go to the LAN interface. Just go to the right for set the configuration. Now you can check. So the interface we have assigned the IP address to the LAN interface and the WAN interface, and protocol we also can check for checking all routers. Okay, this was the LAN interface, LAN 1, LAN 2, and LAN interface. All protocols are up. Then go to the first router. This is WAN, this is LAN, and all out. Now all interface comes up. This is the primary configuration which we have to do. First we have to make the topology, this topology, and we have to assign the IP address to each interface, and we have to check that is interface protocols come up. Now after when all interface come up, protocol come up, then we have I'm just logging the first router and showing you what are the bad connected routes here. If you check Banking to IP route, you check only two routes this router know, that is one network and time. That directly connected route only know. The router one only know this network and this network. This router doesn't know what is the this network or this network. So for this, last time we have done the static routing, default routing. Now I'm just doing the dynamic routing. That we don't require the destination network ID of the remote OS. We will configure that advertise only our network, and automatically router learns other network. Okay, let's just verify it with one download protocol, that is I'm implementing. So what are the commands? Config t router then go to network command. What are the interfaces there? What are the meters there? 10.0 and 1.0. So 10.0. Another I will just advertising, that is 1.0. That's it. Okay. Now go to the another router. Same thing I have to do here. It has two networks, 20, 1, 2. So I am advertising only this networks. Correct. 20.0 and 1.0. Second is 2.0. Right? That's it. Now go to third router. It has two networks, 30 and 2. Router network 10. That's it. With the one command, debug IP red. To check updates are going there. Same one we are doing here also. Debug IP red. So here. Now check sometime. Now routing updates come. For this network, 20 and 30 meter. Now this router learns automatically the network route 20.0 and 30.0. Now we have just no command. Okay, same command as this enter here. Just copy. Go here. Just paste here. Okay. Go to router number 3. Routes are coming. Router 3 start. Router 2. Go router 2. First. Okay. Now we have to verify. Just use the command show IP route. So what we have learned here, this is a directly connected route. One network, 10,000, it already know this router. But two network, 20 network and 30 network is just learn to relate routing protocol. Okay, automatically. I will not manually configure the that is this network or this network. Okay, same thing you can check from here. Show IP route. This router already know diagonal routes That is one network, two network, and 30 network. 10 network and 30 network is just line. Okay, and go to file director. So I think check here 2.0 30 is already know. It line 20 dot network, 10 dot network, 1 dot network. Okay, can check. So I think protocols. I think it's working or not. Not working, no problem. So okay. So we just configure the IP address to PCs for verification. You can first check it from router also. No problem. 192.168.10.1. It's a network. Now we have to check it's going to 30.1 or not. Yeah, it's valid. Now we have to configure the IP address on this PC. 192.168. One 10.1. Go here. 192.168. 20.4. 192.168. 20.1. Go here. 192.168. 30.4. And go here. 192.168. 30.1. Okay. Now you can check. Check. Log into CMD. What is the IP is 10.4. And to read it 192.168. 10.4. It's pinging. Now go to the 34. 30.4. Okay. It's pinging. It will go to 30.4 also. It will go to 20.4 also. The pattern is it takes some time. Yeah. Now also it's pinging now. So this was our dynamic routing using Europe protocol. Thank you guys for watching this video.